This is topic D on page 133, Formatting Icons. You can customize the icons provided by Microsoft to make them better fit your presentation. So here on slide 6, I'm going to go ahead and insert an icon by going to my Insert tab, Illustrations group, and opening up my Icons gallery. Sometimes if you feel like the gallery is taking too long to load, I suggest closing out of it and trying to reopen. And you can see it, for the most part, usually will load quicker for you. So remember that we have our categories to the left here of our different icons, and I'm just going to go ahead and insert, let's do the baby rattle. I'm going to select that, click insert, and I'm just going to make that a bit larger for us. So when you have that icon selected, you have your Graphic Tools Format Contextual tab that is activated. And just to take a look at our command groups on this ribbon tab, we have our Change Group, and our Change Group has commands for replacing the icon with a different graphic and also converting the icon to a shape so that you can modify it further using the Drawing Tools Contextual tab. We have our Graphic Styles group. This is for adding a variety of style elements to icons, such as changing the fill color, changing the outline color, and also adding 3D rotation and bevel effects. We have our Accessibility group for adding alt text to describe the object in 1 or 2 sentences for someone who is visually impaired and using a screen reader. We have our Arrange group for changing the placement of icons on worksheets, arranging multiple icons front to back, grouping icons together, and rotating icons. And then lastly, we have our Size group for modifying the size of and cropping our icons as well. So with a lot of our icons, you can actually see that it has like a bunch of different shapes. Well, this one only has 2 specifically, the top of the rattle, and then you can see that the background of my slide shows through in this part, so it breaks it into another shape, which is this section here. So you have the option to convert your icon to a shape. So first, if I wanted to add a style to my shape, we have our graphic styles here, and let's say I just apply this Color Fill Accent 6 No Outline to my baby rattle. Now I wanted the purple for this part of it, but maybe I wanted this top part to be a different color. If I convert it to a shape, you'll get the message, this is an imported picture, not a group. Some text may not display correctly after converting this picture. Do you want to convert it to a drawing object? You would click yes. So now I have it shown as one individual shape instead of an actual icon. So I could go to my Drawing Tools Format Contextual tab, go to my Group drop-down, and I could ungroup the different sections of this particular shape. So when I do that, you can see I have selection boxes for each part of it now. So when I just click on this top part of the rattle, well, now I can change that fill maybe to a blue color. I could just change this one to a lighter pink. So you have the option of editing your icons and kind of like breaking them apart into the different sections that they show. So let's try another one. Let me insert another blank slide. And I'm going to go to my icons to display my categories. And let's find one with a bunch of different broken up sections. How about just this bar? It's like a bar graph. I'm going to resize that. So you can see this particular one, it has the actual border of the graph, and then it has 4 individual parts which show the bar parts of the graph. So maybe I wanted each part, again, to be a different color. With that icon selected, I want to convert to shape. I'm going to get that PowerPoint message that pops up and click yes. Now it still shows just the one selection border around it because I haven't ungrouped the shape yet. So on my Drawing Tools Format Contextual tab, in my Arrange group, I'm going to go to my Group drop-down and I'm going to ungroup. And now I have all these different selection borders. So it's going to automatically show you all of them. Just click outside of the image and then go back in and select each individual one. So maybe I want to apply a style to this. I'll do the purple one for that last bar graph. I'll do blue for this one. I'll do the green. For this one, I will do the yellow. And then for the main part, I'll apply the red. So it gives you a lot more choice of how you want your icons to display, not just one image with one style or one color applied to it. You can break it apart and format each individual piece as you want it to be shown. Okay, your next video will be Activity 5.5 on page 135.